Hi guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel at ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon is kung paano tayo gumawa ng link na isi-shorten natin at the same time um, gawin natin siyang QR code instead of yung URL, okay? So pag meron tayong i-share na link, halimbawa yung ating blog, ating Facebook group at ano pa mga importanteng gusto nating i-share at yung hindi agad nare-reveal yung name ng website. So this is the best thing na ating gagawin. Gawin natin siyang QR code. So i-scan lang ng mga friend natin or anybody, no, na gusto nating makakuha sila ng link natin, okay? So in less time at hindi na nila ita-type, so kailangan natin gumawa ng QR code using bit.ly.com, okay? So the last time link yung ginawa natin, but this time we have to make it QR code. So paano gumawa? So dapat meron na kayong account sa bit.ly, okay? It's a free naman, merong free, meron namang you have to pay for additional, okay, for upgrade. But free account is enough, okay, because I've been using this one for a long time at hindi naman ako nag-i-exceed dun sa number of links, no, na kine-create ko, okay? So we will be using QR codes right now. So parang picture na lang yung i-share natin at makapag open na po yung ating pag-share ng link, okay? So example, okay, so this is the website. Like example, this topic, scientists say that they have been pointed the moment humanity almost went extinct, okay? So example, i-share natin to na article, okay? Instead of typing this ang haba, di ba? It's so very long. It will take time, or we could not remember sometimes if we will manually type the website or the URL, okay? Instead of this, we can copy the URL. Ito, kopyahin natin, highlight natin, then we make copy. So dito tayo sa ating gawin natin siyang QR codes. So what we're gonna do is you have to click QR codes here. Supposedly meron na kayong account sa Bitly, okay? So click natin QR codes. Ayan, we have to create new. Ayan po, create muna tayo new QR code, not link, QR code, okay? Dito natin ita-type yung URL. You have to paste it. We have to paste, okay? Ayan, wait, again, okay. We have to paste it, then we have to type this one. Ayan, meron na. We can it can be optional, no? Pwede itong empty or we can modify the title. Okay, tanggalin na lang muna natin to. Sorry. Okay, so this is the this side, no? Dito ang side ng preview for the QR code. Okay? So ganyan lang, then we will click this create QR code. We have to click this one to create a QR code. Okay? Okay, this is it. Okay? So actually dalawa yung na-create QR code and also the link. So you can at the same time copy this link, share this link, or you have to download this QR code. Ayan, PNG, JPEG, SVG. Then, pili lang po kayo. The common is the JPEG. We can download it. Okay, right here. Na-download na natin siya. Okay. So, you can send this picture. Okay. Yung picture natin, pwede natin yung isa-share. Or we can save it in our we can save it in our cell phone or laptop, then we can share it. Okay, we will be opening the QR code. This is it. Okay, so ganyan lang pag-create, then share nyo siya. Or if you want to modify, I'll try this customize. Gawa natin siya ng kulay. Okay. Yan. Yeah. Orange, green, blue, whatever. Okay. And save changes. Ganun lang. Then you have to share. Applicable po siya, especially kung meron kayong mga like TikTok na account, Facebook groups, or you have like yung mga common na mga opportunities, like you want them to join and parang allergy na silang mag click pag nakita nila yung actual na URL. So this one is we are hiding the URL para naman pag click nila yun bang ma-surprise sila. So instead of alam na nila, they don't know, so i-click nila yun. They will do it, they will try to scan, so automatically they will be pupunta sila doon sa ating URL. So hindi nila alam kung anong klaseng URL yung binigay natin. At least hindi na nila i-reject yung ating isi-share na URL. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. Save the changes. Ayan, download again. Then if you want to create a new, you just click new QR code. Then you have to paste the URL here. Okay, paste nyo lang. Then optional yung title, you can modify the title. Then let's try again. We try this other link. Example, this one, Mama Bear Hugs Man. After he saves, okay, copy nyo lang. Look, it's so very long. Kung ito yung ita-type nyo, kakopyahin. But if you wanted it to make it shorter, you can create URL links or QR code. So for QR code, we have to paste this one. Ayan. And okay, The Incredible Story of a Mama Bear. Okay, pwede naman natin itong ganyan lang. Okay, so create QR code. Yan. And customize. You have to customize it kung gusto nating ano siya, magandang tingnan ang kulay. Okay, appealing po siya. Ayan. And then save the changes. Okay, so ganun lang ka simple. At ito ay free. Okay, you can register it for free. Okay, so I hope na meron tayong nakuha. Okay. You have here the history. Kung titingnan natin, may history ka dito eh. Ayan. You can see the history of your GoTo. Yan, pag-click na yung history natin na gumawa tayo ng links ng QR code. Okay? So, nandyan lang. So, don't forget your username and password for Bitly. Kasi, for a long time, for years na po ginagamit ko ito. So, all the the links that I created andito lang. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope na meron tayong na kuha dito. Okay, it is very helpful po. If we are sharing a lot of websites or our creations po na mga projects, then we want to share it. So this is the easiest way to create a link for free using QR code at bit.ly.com. Okay? So salamat sa inyong pag-view, at don't forget to subscribe guys sa ating YouTube channel for more